snap him down. Just snap him down and get 2 points. Nice work, Jake. Jake, with the armbar tilt, step over his head if you're going to do this. Step over his head if you're going to do this. Hook his head with your left foot. Oh, Jake. Jake getting creative with the tilt. Yeah, step over his head. There you go. You got it. Yeah, give me the pin. Don't figure for it. Refs in Oklahoma will call that a penalty anyway. Good. That's good work by Jake. Nice work, Jake. Jake's a hammer. Can't take you down, just keep position fighting. Yeah, way to pass by. Don't take a bad shot. He's not going to shoot at all. So don't take a bad shot. Now stay in your stance and fight for position. Keep your head up. Nice shot. He was totally out of position, so that was an easy takedown. You just keep getting guys out of position. Oh, Jake's even working a turn, almost. Current score 7-0. Jake's going to put a boot in. Oh, that's the pin, it looks like. Nope. Block his knees. You cannot finish if you block his knees. Got to keep that head covered and block the knees. Grab his near ankle, come around and hook it. No, Jake, no. Well, all right. That's 3. It makes it 14-0 Jake. the armbar tilt again. Well, it's definitely a tech for Jake at least. Can he pin him as well? Yeah, step over it. Yeah. Oh, that looks like a pin. Yeah, that's it. Crunch, crunch, crunch. Squeeze. Oh, that looks like a pin. There you go.